Good morning, Cheetahs. This is Miss Karen in the main office. I will help you learn today by making sure you get to your classes on time, you turn in your attendance and cafeteria forms, and if your mom and dad come to get you for an early excusal, I'll make sure that you get there on time. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2015. The weather is partly cloudy and a hot 89 degrees. Time for the pause pledge. I will show my pause at school. I will do good listening. I will do good talking. I will have quiet hands and feet. I will do good working. I am safe. I am ready to learn. Let's have a great day. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You can sit down now, and everybody have a great day, and let's see some good cheetah work.